we will install the optional Teams desktop client, and I will show you how you have to configure into the settings. So first of all, for closing the application, you keep the logo if it's not in kiosk mode for a few seconds, and you have this pop-up and you can press yes. Otherwise, if you kill from the task manager, automatically we will restart the UI. Now I'm downloading the Teams desktop client, so from Google, and then you download Teams for work or school, and now it's downloading and is automatically running. Now you have to press open. You have to install into the user's environment, not admin. Now we start the first time. We have to authenticate with the room resource with valid Teams license. It's not Teams room, it's Teams desktop. So room one. Okay, it's the same account that we have in the instant meeting. There we go. Now sign into this app only. And now just few configuration for running Teams in background, testing the instant meeting before to launching Mago Room. So 3 dots on top, you have settings, open application in background and auto start application, on close keep application running, that saves time, it's more fast. At the bottom, turn off animation, it's more light. Then I go through privacy, I don't want survey, no, optional connect experience, no, notification, I don't want notifications, so order off. Okay, this one is off. And device, just check that the microphone is okay and the camera is okay. Here we go. So closing X, going to calendar on the Teams, starting a meet now, just to check that everything is working fine on the Teams desktop. I keep camera on, that is default, now save it, join, here we go, we are in Teams desktop in full screen. I press leave. I now entering in the room setting of Mago. We have to go into the advanced section and you have use desktop version. So you don't see this menu since you not installed the desktop client. Now it's installed, I enable, save and close, and now running Teams Mago Room. We will go through an instant meeting and we have to keep attention because there is one pop-up the first time when you close the meeting that is running in background and we need to flag keep this setting by default. So now starting from the UI, we see that this Teams desktop client is starting in full screen mode, pressing join now button, and when we press an example end meeting on the controller, we have to keep attention to this pop-up. Sometimes it's minimized here and you have to select don't show again. Here we go. Now restart, second time, and if it works, it's ready to be used in production. Camera on, John now is pressed. Here we go. Now I press screen share from the controller. It works. Stop screen share. I would love to press recording. Also recording is starting. So stop recording. That's good. And ending meeting. So before ending meeting, it has just camera on off and microphone off. Okay. On. We have in the UI the notification. Here we go. So we are ready to use the system in production.